This is Engadget. Here's what's happening in the world of technology. Today is October 14th. Google's elaborate video chat booths will soon exist as more than just a clever design exercise. Ars Technica reports the company will start installing Project Starline prototypes in some of its corporate partners' offices for regular tests later this year. In other words, Google will see how its magic windows work beyond on-campus demos. Program partners include Salesforce, T-Mobile, and WeWork, among others. The in-house demos have included over 100 companies spread across healthcare, media, and retailers. Project Starline is effectively a bid to create a natural-feeling telepresence system. Each participant sits in a booth with an array of cameras and infrared projectors that create a realistic 3D depiction, with spatial audio capture making it seem as if the voice is coming from that digital persona's mouth. Combined with head tracking and a 65-inch 8K glasses-free display, the system makes it seem as if the other person is sitting in front of you. This theoretically leads to more effortless meetings than you'd get by staring at a computer monitor with a webcam. The question, of course, is whether or not the early access program will lead to installations at your employer's boardroom or the local store. While Google hasn't outlined the cost of a Project Starline booth, the technology is inherently expensive and consumes a lot of space. Smaller businesses might have trouble justifying this when off-the-shelf computers may be good enough. The timing is also less than ideal. While remote and hybrid work have taken off, Starline is coming right as more people are comfortable returning to in-person interaction. The audience for the tech isn't nearly as large as it might have been a year ago, and we wouldn't count on it getting bigger. And one of the great things about Twitter is that you can reach out to any public user with a quick @ mention to their username. One of the worst things about Twitter is that it's all too easy to abuse that feature. But it turns out the Bird Network may be working on a way to control those mentions. According to privacy researcher and engineer Jane Manchun Wong, the company is testing out the ability to block @ mentions entirely or limit them to people who already follow you. Literally, don't @ me, bro. Twitter privacy designer Dominic Camozzi initially confirmed the feature was in the works, but as The Verge reports, he later deleted that confirmation. Giving users more granular control of @ mentions falls right in line with Twitter's other recent privacy features, like limiting replies and being able to unmention yourself from threads. While it might make Twitter seem less open, but mention controls will ultimately make the service a better experience for users who inevitably find themselves targeted by trolls. If you want to catch the latest tech news as it's happening, check out Engadget.com or tune in again every weekday.
Spoken Layer.